Hi, it's Justin with MarineMax in Charleston, and today I'm going to show you a brand new trade that just came in. It's a 2025 Scout 215 XSF. Beautiful black gel coat hull, midnight edition. You notice the upgraded black powder coated rails, black underside, hard top, as well as the frame. Let's step aboard and show you some of the features that this boat has. All right, we're aboard this 2025 pre-owned Scout 215 XSF. Let's take a look at some of the options here. You notice starboard side transom walkthrough with the door, which is really nice. If you have small children or pets, keeps them inside the cockpit. Large fishing space here, as well as a transom fold-out seat. Rod holders across the transom. Live bait tank. Let's work our way forward. Notice Scout does a really nice job. We got the tulip rod holders here, cup holders beneath. This is a very clean boat. I mean, you could just check all the black. There's no fading. There's nothing. Looks like a brand new boat. Moving to the dash. This boat's equipped with the Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke motor, Garmin GPS system, Fusion stereo system, and speakers. Also, I like the full enclosure here with this acrylic cockpit enclosure at the helm. Kind of, if you have inclement weather, it's a nice protection. Let's move forward because the Scout, they do a really great job on the bow of this boat. Families, wives, kids love this area to hang out in. Notice the backrest with the forward-facing seats, the sunshades lounge here with ample amounts of storage underneath. We also have a teak bow table with the pedestal stored right out of the way. Moving forward, nice large anchor locker. Closes, you have a flush deck so you can cast off here. Notice the pop-up cleat. Nothing to impede, stub your toe or anything like that. We also got two more cup holders here. Again, this boat, 2025 pre-owned Scout 215 XSF, 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke motor, and an 8-foot power pole. Available here at MarineMax Charleston. Give us a call if you'd like to come take a look or learn more.